Okay, good evening, guys. Welcome to another class. In our last class, we looked at how to draw zones. Now, in this class, we'll be looking at zone, we'll be looking at trend. Trend simply means the direction of movement. I explained in our earlier classes that on your chart, you have the times time on the x-axis, then price on the y-axis. Time only moves forward, but price could move down, up, and down. Now, market basically has only three kinds of trends. Market can only go, is either going up, market is either going up this way. When it's going up, it doesn't just go up in a straight line. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. So this is referred to as an uptrend. Why? Because overall, the market is going up and down, even though it's coming down. But then the stronger movement, it goes up, let's say it goes up for 3 days, comes down for 1 day, goes up for another 3 days. So you have your uptrend maintained. This is referred to as an uptrend. Then you also have a downtrend where market goes down, goes up a little, comes down, goes up a little, comes down. Now this is a downtrend. Why? Because overall, this market is slanting down. So these small pullbacks are just pullbacks. They don't invalidate the overall direction of the market. Now, the next trend you could have is a sideways movement where market just moves sideways. There's no clear direction, just moving sideways. So this kind of markets are called ranging markets. It means market is in a range. So to trade a range, we'll get into that later. Now, let's look at examples. Let's try and cite places on the chart. Okay, for example, here, we can see from here that this market has been going up overall, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, then came down, back to this level. In fact, tried going up again, it ranged a little, and call that a range, broke down, but then maintained, didn't go below this level. Now, it resumed the uptrend. So in a market, you have series of uptrends and downtrends, then sideways movement or ranges. But overall, the overall direction of the market, when you look at the higher time frame, which is like maybe if you're looking at the daily, now if you look within this uptrend, if you look at different time frames, you see that within different time frames, you are having different kinds of trends. Now, on the 5 minutes, if you're looking at the 5 minute chart, you might have, okay, sideways movement here, up movement here, But then to get the overall direction of that asset, you need to look at the higher time frame. That's what tells you overall, this is where this market is headed overall. Now, that is trend for you. It can either be an uptrend, a downtrend, or a ranging market. Now, we'll discuss more in our next class.